Hello everyone, first of all, and welcome to what's going to hopefully be a series where I test my Vigilon fire system. So we're going to be doing 3 devices today: the hallway call point, the downstairs call point, and the living room S-Quad. So the panel is a GENT Vigilon BS 2005 one. Didn't get it too long ago. It works with other devices since it has the upgraded MCC, so yeah, it runs everything. So I'm going to do a walk around first of all. So in my room we've got a S4771S. It's a 2023 one from what I remember. In the hallway we've got a S4 call point. Nothing too interesting about that. Yeah, once again in the hallway we've got another S4771S. This one's a 2025 one. Also, yeah, you'll see that some of the detectors are very close to the wall. It's because of how the loft's laid out, so it's the only way I could really do that. If I'm ever up there I'll show you what I mean, but in here, the back bedroom, we've got a dual optical heat VAD voice. You'll notice that half the system's voice, half isn't. It's just mainly because I couldn't be bothered buying all voice devices. I don't really care, to be honest, because like, yeah, it's too expensive, honestly. It's a pain finding voice devices. Doesn't matter though. Master bedroom, we've got another dual optical heat VAD voice. All of the bedrooms have these except 9. In the living room we've got another dual optical heat VAD voice. All of these VAD ones are 2017 from what I remember. Kitchen, we've got another S4771S dual optical heat, no voice. Bathroom, we've got an S3 high power VAD, no voice once again. In the loft we've got 2 S4771S's once again. One at the front, one at the back. Downstairs we've got another dual optical heat VAD voice, which I will show later on once I'm down there. Yeah, I'm going to put the system into test mode, well, commission mode on this one. And yeah, we'll just start. Well, that's commission mode on, so yeah, we'll just get onto it. Yeah, this is the first device now, the hallway call point. I'll just press it and use the test key. I've got my keys ready. So yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's the first device done. It should reset in a minute. Yeah, there we go. So I'll just move on to the downstairs one there. Apologies for standing so far back here. It's pretty cramped down here, especially to get like a tripod in or whatever. So yeah, this is the downstairs one there. I'm just gonna. There we go, that's the downstairs one done there. We'll move on now to the living room S-Quad. Yeah, so here we are in the living room now. I'm not going to have this one going for very long because my neighbours are in and I've made enough noise. So I'm just going to give it a quick blast. Yeah, okay, silenced it a bit too fast, but it works. It's fine, doesn't matter. I'm gonna reset it now. Hopefully it doesn't re-alarm. Yeah, seems fine. Right, yeah, apologies for the length of this video. I'll have longer ones eventually. Yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.